Hi everybody, it's Lisa, owner of Peaches Skincare. You can visit us at peachesskincare.com, and I also invite you to follow us on Facebook or Instagram to see a little bit more about who we are, what our beliefs are, and what my estheticians can do for you. Today is going to be a little bit of a commentary, so be kind if you comment below. Hopefully I get people talking in a really positive way. I think the worst thing is when I go on some of these videos and I see comments and someone says something very honest and everyone just jumps on them. I've been watching a lot of videos, which is part of my job, to watch videos to see what other people are saying, other social media people, and you all know how I feel about a lot of these people giving skincare advice that have never touched someone's skin, have no practical knowledge of skin. And then on top of that, watching a lot of them say how the products work or how great their skin is when they have pounds of makeup on, and above all, they have injected their face and surgically altered it. Now, if you've done that, it's okay. That's your path. But my commentary is more about what kind of message are we sending to young people. I watched a video today and the young woman was lovely, really great personality. I love how excited she got everyone about skin, but she actually said how she had cut the skin, or had surgically altered the skin between her nose and her upper lip so it would make her lip look bigger. And it's funny, I have been noticing that on a lot of women and thinking, what did they do to their face? And I didn't even realize that was a surgical procedure. So what kind of message are we sending to young people? When we say that you should alter yourself to be beautiful, you need to change yourself to be accepted by society. I asked a couple people that I know. Two of them are actually psychologists. One you can find on TikTok. Her name is Courtney, and she's called The Truth Doctor on TikTok. Another young lady is my daughter, Chantel. She is a psychologist and a psychiatric nurse, getting her doctorate, and Courtney also has her doctorate. And both agreed with this statement, that social media is harming teenagers, and teenagers are really not in a good place, and young people. I see so many women walk into my salon in their 20s and they've already done Botox and they've already injected their face. We are sending a message to young men and women that they aren't enough, and we wonder why they have issues with body image, they have issues with eating disorders, and they have issues with fitting in and having self-confidence. So I'm not saying don't make your videos and don't watch videos, but if you really are that naive to think that these men and women doing these videos look that good from a little bit of moisturizer, you're really not thinking clearly, because that is not at all what we're seeing on camera. What we see on Instagram or on social media is not real. It's been altered by filtering. You won't see me filter anything on my pictures. When they do my videos for me, I tell them to keep it as real as possible. I don't wear any makeup. I haven't injected my face. And I'm 54 years old, and trust me, I look in the mirror a lot of days and I think, what the hell am I doing? But I'm going to stay on this path to being natural. And I'm hoping that you will come along with me. And if you do some of these things and you're around younger people, really make sure you're setting a good example or a good message, because we really have an issue with young people today, and I'm afraid for them, and I'm afraid for their confidence. I also hope that you can visit Rihanna. Rihanna is at Pink and Sparkle 101. Pink and Sparkles 101. I've mentioned her before. And both Courtney and Rihanna can really help you to feel better about yourself. They can encourage you. They can motivate you. And I hope that this video has sent a message to you to be more mindful, to be beautiful, but be beautiful naturally, to stop thinking that we have to alter our lips and have big lips, or alter our cheeks and have big cheeks, or we can't have a wrinkle under our eyes, or we can't have a wrinkle next to our nose, that we have to be a Barbie doll. that we have to be something plastic to be accepted. So I hope you will take this advice or this commentary and be positive. I hope you'll look at some of my other videos for great tips on looking beautiful naturally, on healthy skincare, and comment below if you have any questions. I am here for you. I would love to help you. I try to answer every single message that I get, and I hope that you stay beautiful, you stay healthy, and you stay confident and gorgeous naturally.